So this is the MRI of Bikramjit Singh, age 30 years, having severe pain both sides of the leg and the back. It's a big disc. This is the main spinal cord, the nerve to the spinal cord, and here is the L5S1 disc bulging and compressing the nerve. The compression here is on both the sides. It's a big disc. So we'll be doing endoscopy, interlaminar, going through the center and taking out this disc. His pain is more on the left side, so I'll go from the left side. I can do it from both the sides, but I'll go from the left side and take this out. And I hope to make the patient sane in 1 hour's time and out of the hospital by the evening or maybe the next day. And I might put a stitch, I might not put a stitch. Let's see what happens.